proving that you are never too old to be a rock star at literally any age. My own mom, hi mom, Elsa, is 84 and going strong. This is Wynnefred Franklin. She's 94 and she opens her local bakery 6 days a week. You didn't let me finish. She opens it 6 days a week at 6 in the morning. Check her out.
My name is Wynnefred, and I'm from King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and I'm 94 years old. I have been working in the bakery for 23 years. I like working in the bakery because I'm with people, and when I was home, I was rolling cobwebs, if you know what I mean, and I'm not. I'm with people, I'm alert, I'm answering questions from customers. I like getting up early. My hours are 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. I've been there quite a while, and I guess I know 3 hours is probably it, and it works for me. My plan is to work as long as I can. Don't take yourself too seriously. Try not to get, sometimes like we do, edgy and get all worked up over nothing. And try to just take things at the pace you can possibly do it, and you'll get through it, and you'll love it, and you'll be busy. Age ain't nothing but a number.
I absolutely agree with you. I loved what you said about don't take yourself too seriously.
You can't.
You have to find the humor in life.
Yeah, very much. The older you get, the more you need it.
Yes,
everything starts to go south, and you really have to have a good sense of humor.
Has there ever been a period in your life where you didn't work or kind of push yourself?
Well, I had 5 children, and once I got married and had 5, I was busy all the time.
Yeah, but that's a lot of work.
And you have to keep up and be ahead of them because they'll try to be way ahead of you.
And you got to keep up with them.
Oh, yes, you do.
I know that you already have like over 100 cookbooks. I'm sure you're a way better baker than I'll ever be, but I wanted to add to your collection.
No.
That's my latest. I signed it to you.
Thank you.
Come back anytime. Any day you like. We're going to send you a whole bunch of our cookware, too, whatever you want. You can have the house. Have anything you want. Go backstage and go shopping. Thanks to Wynnefred and to all of our guests today of every age. Value every day of your life, guys, right? We'll see you when we see everybody. Bye-bye.